What is staph? Staph is an infection that can be transferred from the floor and or skin-to-skin contact. Results can be a simple boil or even an antibiotic-resistant infection. And this is a picture of what staph would look like on somebody's skin, except without like skin tone colors. You see there are a bunch of boils here, here. And because it has like spread, it has become resistant to antibiotics and can no longer be treated by normal means. Antibiotics usually help staph, but now they sometimes don't. Most doctors prescribe penicillin as a major way to defend against staph infections. As you can see up top, that is it. This is a picture of a penicillin bottle. Penicillin doesn't work, however, they'll attempt to use something stronger. And if that doesn't work, then other treatment will sometimes be used with staph infection. If the infection goes so deep that it involves muscles and or muscle fibers, it needs to be surgically removed. MRSA is an infection that happens when a staph starts to weaken one's immune system, and then the MRSA in itself can't be treated by normal means such as antibiotics. The reason that it's so dangerous is because the staph itself will cause a weakness in the immune system, and then once the MRSA sets in, it's even harder to treat, possibly even killing someone. Fitness is the relative ability of an organism to survive and reproduce in a particular environment. Basically, fitness is how able an organism is to survive in the environment and for it to have offspring that will continue their generation and carry on their alleles and such in order to maintain proper evolutionary hybrid. Evolution, a change in allele frequencies and their population over time. Basically, that's like when you have a certain like genetic type, and then that's really good for your environment. Like let's say like camels, they got them humps that store fat, and so when they go for like weeks without food, they have the hump in order it'll just like whittle down little bit by little bit by little bit, and that's how they maintain water and able to feed themselves. Because in the desert there ain't no food and water for like weeks possibly, and that's how they're able to do it. Natural selection, survival of the fittest. The strong live on, the weak die. That's pretty much it. Like back when there was tigers, yeah, deer got ate. And then if the tiger couldn't catch the deer or the buffalo or whatever it was, then the tiger died. That's just how it went.
So here we're going to be contrasting these three terms: stabilizing, directional, and diversifying. So as you can see, each of them have their own like unique thing. Like stabilizing is the middle of the phenotype strand, directional is end of the phenotype strand, and diversity is both extremes of phenotype strands. And now what they're all useful for is they're a type of natural selection. They all overall have phenotypes and they're favored by the environment. And yeah.